Welcome to Seed to Life. As those harsh wintry days are coming closer, I am feeling overwhelmed thinking about how I am going to protect my beloved plants this winter. Usually, I bring my plants indoors and also keep the big ones in the garage. But even though this arrangement protects them from the fluctuating temperatures in Texas, I lose control over the sunlight that they get. I have only one south facing window where I can keep the indoor plants and they compete for the few hours of sunlight. I have to keep changing positions so each plant gets at least some sunlight. If you are a plant lover who struggle with the similar challenges while growing indoor plants or protecting the outdoor plants during winter, then the solution is using a grow light. There are a variety of grow lights available in the market and it can be very confusing which one to buy. So today I'm going to show you the Barrina 5000K T10 standing grow light. Barrina is one of the leading manufacturers in grow light industry. They offer a variety of products through their growing portfolio of grow lights for plants. This vertical grow light is the new addition to it. A few weeks back, I showed you that another similar product, Barrina T10 vertical standing grow light, and I'm putting the link to that video in the description if you would like to know more about that. Now the new Barrina T10 vertical grow light is 42 watts 5000 Kelvin full spectrum grow light that offers wide coverage. Additionally, this gives out white light. So if you are like me who prefer white light over warm, this is the best fit for your preferences. Now let's open it and see how to install this light. This assembly comes with a 42 watts 5000 Kelvin grow light in an aluminum shell with an attached foot switch, a triangular stand, one hex wrench, a user manual and a pair of clamps with ties if you want to use it as a horizontal light. The light is well secured with foam. This is the attached foot switch for easy on and off. What I like is that it is a hassle-free installation as there are only two parts to connect. In seconds you can get this light installed and working. You can adjust the tripod high or low to change the height of the light. This is a hex wrench which I didn't really need but are good to have in case you want to tighten the screw. But I didn't need it as I could just turn the tripod around to make it secure well. According to the product description, it is full spectrum LED grow light. That means it is useful for plants in all growing stages, starting from seedlings to mature plants to blooming or fruit producing plants. This light is equipped with high quality LED chips and delivers high photosynthetic photon flux density. Leaves of plants contain different pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta-carotene and some other pigments. All these pigments need a different spectrum of light for producing food, germinating seeds, blooming or fruit production. Sunlight, even though it appears white, is a mixture of different colored lights, and these pigments in the leaves absorb different spectra of light from sunlight. For example, chlorophyll A is necessary for photosynthesis and it requires blue light, whereas red light is required for seed germination, root development, and vegetative growth. This Barrina T10 grow light offers a broad spectrum light, so plants can absorb the spectrum of light that they need in various stages. And it is useful not just for potted plants but also aquatic, ornamental, or flowering plants. The light is almost 48.5 inches tall and has a sleek minimalist appearance, but it is still pretty powerful with 110 volts. It weighs only 2.59 pounds, so it is very easy to lift it and place it wherever you want. Barrina T10 grow light provides side illumination. The main light is in an aluminum casing that eliminates the concern of rust. You can keep it in one corner of the room surrounded by plants. You can see how it is covering a good number of plants, that too of different heights and types. If you want to use it for seed germination, then you can easily hang it horizontally to the plant stand close to the germinating seeds and use it as a germination light. I liked its minimalist appearance because it looks like a modern floor lamp. For now, I am planning to keep it in the new sunroom that gets only 2 to 3 hours of sun in the morning. I can use it for supplemental light throughout the day or on cloudy days. Or maybe I'll use it for kickstarting the flower bulbs. Overall, I find this new Barrina T10 5000K grow light useful as it is multifunctional, powerful and covers a broad area, helps to fulfill the needs of the plants in different stages of development. It has pleasing appearance, it takes up very little space, it is easy to move around and gives a good value for money. This light is available for purchase on Amazon. I am posting the link in the description. Additionally, you can use the promo code to get an additional 10% discount. Thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos. And feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.